Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Today I'm gonna be presenting SAMBA, which is an environmental data hub for Madagascar. Um, the problem that it tries to solve is that there is a lot of data regarding satellite imagery, climate or biodiversity in Madagascar, but the thing is that there's no unified uh, application that combines all this together to make something useful out of it. So this is a problem because almost 90% of Malagasy biodiversity is endemic, which means it doesn't live anywhere else, and that population is currently declining. So this is why I wanted to create Samba to actually try to fight against this decline. So without further ado, let's get signed in. Okay, so after the sign up, the first thing we see here is the dashboard showing the different data sources, and it also points to the number of animal observations from GBIF and iNaturalist, and we also have the regions by forest loss, and down here we have the species richness. Moving on to biodiversity, here it focuses more on the animals and the plants in Madagascar, which yeah, and it shows here the some of the most observed species, and on the right we have the number of species that are endangered, vulnerable, or least concerned. And here we have a scroll of the some of the animals here in Madagascar, and here we can see a time series showing the graph of the observations over time. And if we move on to climate, here it focuses more on the vegetation health, the rainfalls, and also the humidity in Madagascar in general. But if we scroll down to this section right here, here it breaks down to 24 different regions, and here on the left we have the temperature along with an AI prediction of the most probable temperature based on the date. Moving on to maps, here it shows the state of each region based on the deforestation loss, and also the species observations for each region. So we can choose to show the observations of the animals. If we zoom in, we can see that there are these points where this is the location of where the observation has been made. Here we can see that there was a lemur. And moving on to alerts, here it basically shows which regions are most need the most attention currently, and which region also doesn't really need as much attention, based on how many endangered species are in that aforementioned region. And lastly, here we have the reports. Basically, it compiles all of the data that I've shown earlier into one PDF file or a CSV file that policymakers data scientists or even students can use and maybe reuse for like their research. To end the video accordingly, I'm just gonna take you through quickly on the 14 requirements that this project had. So the first was data ingestion, which it does right here with Google Earth Engine, NASA Power, GBIF, and iNaturalist. Next is data processing, which can be shown with like all the different graphs that this site have. Uh, um, in addition, we also have the analysis engine, which can be shown on the map right here, where like it flags different regions based on the deforestation levels and also the endangered species which are inside these regions. And also we have the visualization that can be shown with also the different graphs and stats that's available on this site, the reporting and the user access with the authentication and the login sign up form, and also the alert system, which is currently doesn't show any alert. And for the non-functional requirements, we also have the security, again with the sign up form, performance, which is demonstrated by the backend servers, which uses 3 different servers to like balance the traffic between them. With scalability also, I used Docker for this project. As I said, I used Docker, and usability, which can be shown with the simple user experience, and availability, which also can be shown with the 2 servers in which I'll actually deploy this application. And yeah, and I think that is all for SAMBA. Thank you everyone for listening. Have a good day.